Now to last night's powerful earthquake in South America, powerful enough to trigger a tsunami warning all the way west in Hawaii. And of course, it comes after what's been a shaky time in California, where it has focused experts on the quake prognosis and preparation. Our report on all of it tonight from NBC's Mark Potter.
The moment of terror captured on cell phone video. The massive 8.2 quake knocked down buildings, triggered landslides, cut off power, and sparked fires that raged for hours. At least 6 people were killed. 7-foot waves hammered Chile's coast, destroying dozens of boats in this fishing village. Fearing a tsunami, authorities evacuated nearly 1 million people along the coast, jamming roads for miles. Recovery efforts have been hampered by cracked highways and flooded streets. Authorities here have been preparing for years for the big one. Experts say this wasn't it, but still sirens in Chile rattle nerves all along what's called the Ring of Fire, running from New Zealand through Indonesia and Japan, across to Alaska, and down the west coast of the Americas, a zone of intense seismic and volcanic activity. The circles in yellow are large earthquakes just within the past 2 weeks.
California is really too far away from Chile to see anything.
Lucy Jones is a seismologist helping the city of Los Angeles prepare for the big one.
We have buildings that will kill people. We know which ones they are. We need to find a way to get them retrofitted.
Last Friday, a 5.1 quake hit along the Puente Hills thrust fault, followed by hundreds of aftershocks. The Puente Hills fault is of particular concern because it runs right back there, directly beneath the LA city skyline, from the heavily populated suburbs to the Hollywood Hills. It's been 20 years since the 6.7 Northridge earthquake shook Los Angeles, killing nearly 60 people. Since then, it's been relatively quiet, raising concerns that Angelenos aren't ready.
20 years has made us complacent. 20 years has made us think that's something in the past, it's not going to happen in the future. We live on active faults every single day.
Experts believe a massive quake on this fault could kill up to 18,000 people and cause up to $250 billion in damage.
If we have too big an earthquake with too much damage, people are going to give up on the city and leave.
Authorities say they can't predict when that quake will hit, but insist it is inevitable. Mark Potter, NBC News, Los Angeles.
The Supreme